This video was created for educational purposes. Closed captions are for the hearing impaired. Welcome to an epic journey through time and space. A timeless journey into the unknown. Today, we explore the grand story of the universe's creation, and the origin of life itself. Our story begins approximately 13.8 billion years ago with the Big Bang. A moment of unimaginable energy and density. This singularity exploded, setting into motion the creation of the universe. Within the first fraction of a second, the universe expanded exponentially in a process called inflation. This inflation process smoothed out all irregularities. As the universe cooled, fundamental particles like quarks and gluons formed. These particles combined to create protons and neutrons. Within the first few minutes, these protons and neutrons fused to form the nuclei of hydrogen atoms and helium atoms. About 380,000 years after the Big Bang, the universe cooled. This cooling allowed for electrons to combine with nuclei, creating neutral atoms. This era is known as the Recombination era. The leftover radiation from the Recombination era, called the cosmic microwave background, provides a snapshot of the early universe. Over millions of years, gravity pulled hydrogen and helium gas together to form the first stars. These early stars ignited nuclear fusion in their cores, creating heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron. The death of these stars in supernova explosions spread these elements across the cosmos, seeding the formation of new stars and planets. Around newly formed stars, rotating disks of gas and dust known as protoplanetary disks began to form. Within these disks, particles collided and stuck together, forming planetesimals. These planetesimals grew larger, through collisions and accretion. These collisions were very violent. However, scientists believe them to be very necessary. These planetesimals eventually became protoplanets, and then fully formed planets. The process was influenced by several factors like a star's mass, disk's composition, and the planet's distance from the star. Some distances are known as the Goldilocks zones, where conditions might be just right to sustain life. One planet we know in a Goldilocks zone is the planet Earth, of the Milky Way galaxy. This is how our planet was born, over 4.5 billion years ago. The universe itself has continued to expand, growing at an unprecedented rate. This expansion is driven by a mysterious force known as dark energy, which causes the fabric of space itself to stretch. As the universe expands, galaxies move away from each other. However, some galaxies, while expanding, may collide. Like our Milky Way galaxy is destined to collide with our closest neighbor galaxy Andromeda. This collision is destined to happen in about 5 billion years. This expansion was first observed by Edwin Hubble in the 1920s. Leading to the realization that the universe is not static, but dynamic and ever-changing. This is how scientists believe our universe was formed. So that brings us to the next mysterious question. How was life created in the universe? Exactly, where in the universe did it come from? The earliest life forms on Earth emerged around 3.5 billion years ago. Life likely began in the form of simple single-celled organisms in the primordial oceans. This early form of life used chemical energy from the Earth's environment, a process known as chemosynthesis, to sustain themselves. Over time, photosynthesis evolved, allowing organisms to harness energy from the sun and produce oxygen, paving the way for more complex life. Beyond Earth, the conditions for life may exist in other environments. Discoveries of organisms that thrive in harsh conditions on Earth suggest that life could potentially survive on other planets or moons. Many planets and moons have subsurface oceans, such as Europa and Enceladus, where life could potentially survive. The search for extraterrestrial life continues to drive scientific exploration and inspire our imaginations. The universe's story is a testament to the awe-inspiring power of natural processes. From the birth of stars and planets, to the emergence of human life itself. Our journey of discovery is far from over, as we continue to explore and uncover the mysteries of the cosmos. Stay tuned for more incredible educational stories and out-of-this-world facts from the final frontier. Thanks for watching Odyssey, Origins of Reality. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay safe, educate, and keep reaching for the stars. Thanks again for watching Odyssey, Origins of Reality.